Making a really quick, easy, protein-rich breakfast today. Let me know if you try this. Something delicious, nutritious, and high in protein. I'm just gonna angle this down so you guys can see. I am a big fan of prioritizing protein. So I have just got some almond and coconut milk. You could use cashew milk. You could use coconut milk as well if you would like, or just plain almond milk. I'm just going to put half a cup into here. And I've got my favorite protein. So this is a vanilla Keto Pro. Now I love this one because it's got some MCT oil in it, and it's also got a DNA repair product, and it is high in leucine. So it is probably my favorite protein. So I'm just going to pop a packet of that in there. And then I'm actually going to add, just for an extra protein boost, I don't have any vanilla protein. In a perfect world, I would actually use vanilla protein powder, but I've just got this cookie dough flavor, so today that's what it is. So I would just use a scoop of normal vanilla powder as well. So I'm just going to blitz that quickly. You can just shake it in your shaker, but I just popped it in my NutriBullet really quickly. Okay, so then I've got a cup of frozen berries. I'm just going to pop that into my bowl. There's some big strawberries in there. I might actually just chop those strawberries. Because they are massive. Let me just chop those strawberries a little bit. And then I'm just going to pour that mixture over top, and then I'm going to add some toppings to boost it up, and that is it. So super fast, super easy, and very delicious. Just making these strawberries bite-sized pieces. Okay. So I'm just going to pour this over. You can see that there. I actually like to get all of the mixture out. I hate wasting mixture. This one actually does taste really good. That extra protein powder I put in there is cookie dough flavor, so you can imagine how good that tastes. Okay. And what happens, it kind of changes the frozen berries stick to the protein mixture and make it super yum. So just give that a little bit of a mix up. So yummy. I can already... Now I've got some coconut yogurt to add coconut yogurt on top. I have got some paleo granola that I'm going to pop on top. I'm actually going to just weigh that so I can see how much I'm having. I like to know how much. Okay, that can go on top. And then I've got some hemp seeds, which are super good for you. They're high in omegas. Just a tablespoon of those. And some nut butter. So just a little drizzle of almond butter. And that is a delicious and super quick breakfast that I am about to enjoy, because I am due just a teaspoon of this on top. We are good to go. Like I said, if you decide to make this, let me know. This is the finished product. I'm gonna go enjoy. And if you make this, let me know. Follow and subscribe and share with anyone who else would love some nice, healthy, high protein recipes. I prioritize protein for menopause because actually everyone should be prioritizing protein. It does make a big difference. So I'll see you next time. Enjoy.